Hi, I'm Zach Epperson with Salt River Electric. By now, most of you have received your bill for the month of January and might be surprised to see that it's larger than previous months. And we've definitely heard from you regarding those high bills. So we wanted to take a minute to talk about the bills and hopefully help you understand what has caused them to jump so much. But first, let's get a few things out of the way. Number one, yes, the weather does impact your bill and colder temperatures do affect it, but we'll talk about more on that in a minute. Number two, no, we're not gaining anything from these additional charges or fees. An essential part of being a cooperative is being not for profit, so we get no extra money from the increased fees that you might see. Number three, you're right, people are not outside your house reading your meter. The reason? Salt River Electric doesn't physically read meters like that anymore. Your meter sends us an exact usage number every 24 hours, providing us with an accurate count on how many kilowatts you're using daily. And number four, no, we're not estimating meters. The only time estimation is used is when a substation communicator might be down and your meter can't send back its reading. If that's the case, you'll see a nice big estimation note on your bill for that month. So with that out of the way, let's get down to why exactly bills were up so much. Colder temperatures, the fuel adjustment clause, and the environmental surcharge. During the month of January, data collected from Louisville International Airport shows that the average temperature for our service area was 32.7 degrees, just barely above freezing. Also consider this, 30% of the days in January had daily highs below freezing. Because of this, your heating system had to work harder to heat your home, increasing your energy usage. Additionally, the use of space heaters to knock the chill out of a room can increase your energy usage, increasing how much you use. When you consider how a space heater works to produce heat, heating a wire with electricity and then blowing a fan across it, it's a pretty inefficient way to warm up a space, especially over long periods of time. So as you can see, colder temperatures can, in fact, affect your electric bill. Now, the fuel adjustment clause. It's another reason for higher bills this month. The price to purchase coal and natural gas, which is used to create some of our electricity, nearly doubled from this time last year on the market. In some instances, the price of natural gas rose 3.5 times. As a result, our power provider, East Kentucky Power, had to spend more to purchase the needed fuel to create electricity, which increased the fuel adjustment clause. That is why it has temporarily changed from a credit to a charge. Along with the fuel adjustment clause is another charge that you're likely to see on your bill, the environmental surcharge. Like the fuel adjustment clause, the environmental surcharge is not a bill item created by Salt River Electric. It comes from our power provider and tries to help them recover a portion of the cost they spend on equipment and other expenses to comply with EPA regulations on power plant emissions. Energy forecasters predict that next month's bills will be similar, but say the bills in April should start to decrease in cost. While we hope this information helps you understand the reason behind your bill's increase this past month, we know that it doesn't change how much your bill is. Know that we're here for you and, if needed, can help you find a payment solution that works best for you.